Good morning. We are starting a new chapter, chapter 7, permutation and combination. This is very good chapter. With the help of this chapter we can learn so many new things. So in permutation combination we have to learn about permutation. What is permutation? Before permutation we should know what is factorial. Factorial. This is symbol of factorial. This or English exclamatory sign. आश्चर्यजनक सूचक. Like factorial 3, you have to start from 3 up to positive 1, reverse order. जिस नंबर का फैक्टोरियल निकालना है वहां से बैकवर्ड 1 तक जाइए. Factorial 3 would be 6. Suppose I am taking factorial 5. It is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is 120. Same way, if you start factorial 6, 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 720. Factorial 0, it is 1. Inside the factorial, negative sign does not exist. Not possible. So, least value inside the factorial will be 0. छोटे से छोटी value 0 होगी. Factorial 0 is 1. Its proof is also there, but initial stage you should learn what is factorial. Which means, suppose you are getting factorial 9. So what is the meaning of it? You can write 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Can we write here 9 into factorial 8? Of course we can write. Same way, factorial 6 can be 6 out. You can write factorial 5. Because factorial 6 is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. अगर 6 को छोड़ दें तो ये सारा factorial 5 हुआ. Therefore, we can say that factorial n is n times factorial n minus 1. जैसे यहाँ पे 6 था, 6 बार हुआ, factorial 5 हुआ. So factorial n outside n minus 1. मतलब जो भी चीज आप factorial से बाहर निकालेंगे, अंदर एक कम हो जाएगा. Factorial p. If you want to take p outside, p बाहर लीजिए, अंदर हो जाएगा factorial p minus 1. This is factorial concept. Okay. So you learn. This is very easy and interesting topic, permutation combination, but first of all we require factorial. And exercise based on this factorial is 7.2. So first of all we are doing 7.2 exercise. Once more I am telling you, suppose you are getting factorial 14, so you can write 14 into factorial 13. Factorial का मतलब होता है उस नंबर से. Inside the factorial we take natural number here according to NCERT syllabus, and from that number you have to take reverse product up to 1, like factorial 6, 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, and factorial 4 you can write 4 into factorial 3, because factorial 3 means 3 into 2 into 1. So finally it is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this is very important property. This is required. Factorial 0 is 1 required. Generally we use. Okay. Now we do exercise 7.2 then 7.1, because 7.2 is based on factorial. Factorial 8. You can write 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This multiply you can do. Now second part of the question, factorial 4 minus factorial 3. You cannot write factorial 1. You cannot subtract. Find out value. So 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 minus 3 into 2 into 1. 4 is 12, 2 is 24, minus 6, it is 18. Okay. And 7.2 second question is, he is asking, is factorial 3 plus 4 is equal to factorial 7? No, not at all. We have to find out. LHS is what? Factorial 3 plus factorial 4. We can write 3 to 1, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So factorial 3 is 3 into 2 into 1. Factorial 4 is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is 6 plus 4 3 is 12, 2 is 24. It is 30. Left hand side value is 30. And factorial 7, that is RHS. It is 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So it will be 5040. So it is clear that factorial 3 plus factorial 4 is not equal to factorial 7. Okay, not equal. They are not equal. You cannot add or subtract directly. Question number 3 is compute, means find the value of this. So what we can do is, हमको दिख रहा है कि फैक्टोरियल 8 को बाहर निकालेंगे 8 को तो अंदर फैक्टोरियल 7 होगा, 7 को बाहर निकालेंगे तो फैक्टोरियल 6 होगा. तो कैन वी राइट 8 into 7 into factorial 6? Of course we can write, because denominator we are getting factorial 6, factorial 6 cancel. 8 into 7 upon 2 into 1, because factorial 2 means 2 into 1, 2 4s are. So 7 4s are 28 is the answer. Now next is question number 4. If 1 upon factorial 6 plus 1 upon factorial 7 equal to x upon factorial 8, find x. So we can write, out of all the factorials, which is the lowest value? Factorial 6. So we convert everything in factorial 6 terms. How? This is factorial 6. Can you write factorial 7 as 7 into factorial 6? जो भी बाहर निकलता है अंदर एक कम हो जाता है. So here also we want to convert this into factorial 6. So 8 out, 7 out, this will be factorial 6. Now factorial 6 is common, 1 upon factorial 6 common, 1 plus 1 upon 7, and this is x upon 56 into factorial 6. So factorial 6 cancel. If you take this 6, this will be numerator denominator cancel. So this is 8 upon 7 equal to x upon 56. So value of x is 8 upon 7 into 56. 7 8s are. So x equal to 64. Okay. Now we do exercise 7.1. This is very good exercise. How many 3-digit number can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, assuming that repetition of digit is allowed? Second part, repetition of digit is not allowed. How to start solution? First of all, write given digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are given, and we have to make 3-digit number. First part, repetition is allowed. We have to, what we have to done? What we have to do is, we have to make 3-digit number in which first part is repetition is allowed. एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल दूं. सपोज आपको हमने 1, 2 डिजिट दिए हैं, इससे 2 डिजिट नंबर बनाना है, रिपीटेशन अलाउड है, तो यू कैन टेक 12, 21, 11, 22, यू कैन मेक 4 डिजिट. इस क्वेश्चन का मतलब है आपको रिपीटेशन अलाउड है तो 3 डिजिट कितने डिफरेंट नंबर बन सकते हैं. यहाँ 2 डिजिट था तो काम आसान था, बट व्हेन डिजिट्स आर मोर, वर्क विल बी टिपिकल. विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस वी कैन फाइंड इजिली. So this topic is very interesting. With the help of this topic we can find easily. So what we can do is, we can make this type of box. 1's place, 10's place, 100 place. How many digits are given? 5. So we can fill this box with the help of 5 digits. Because repetition is allowed, again we can take 5 digits here. We can take 5 digits here. You can write here. Don't write inside the box. Value you can write 5 digits. Why 5? Because repetition is allowed. You mention here 1's place can be filled up by 5 digits. 10's place can be filled up by 5 digits. 100 place can be filled up by 5 digits. So total digits will be, therefore total digits, you have to multiply. Whenever you get box upper value, you have to multiply. So you will get 125 digits. Practically possible नहीं है, आप इतना कैलकुलेट करो, हो सकती है मिस्टेक हो, but with the help of this topic we can find easily. ठीक है, but repetition is not allowed. Second case, repetition is not allowed. मतलब फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर इस केस में रिपीटेशन अलाउड नहीं होता So you cannot take 11 and 22. You can take only two digits, 12 and 21. So here we are making box, ones place, tens place, hundreds place. We can fail ones place by 5 digits, tens place by 4 digit, and hundred place by 3 digit, because repetition not allowed. In previous part, repetition allowed. So we can take 5 digits, 5 digits, 5 digits, but repetition not allowed. 5 digit, 4 digit, and 3 digit. So ones place can be filled up by 5 digits, tens place can be filled up by 4 digits, and hundred place can be filled up by 3 digits. So total digits, total 3 digit number in which repetition is not allowed, 5 into 4 into 3, 5 for 20, 3 is 60. We can make 60 digits with the help of given 5 digit 1, 2, 3, 4, in which repetition is not allowed. If repetition is allowed, we can make 125 digits. Okay. सपोज आपको 1, 2, 3 डिजिट दिया है और मैं कहूं मेक 2 डिजिट नंबर रिपीटिशन अलाउड है, तो डायरेक्ट यू कैन राइट देयर इज फॉर्मूला, परमुटेशन फॉर्मूला. तो दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन आर वेरी इजी, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू, सपोज यू आर गेटिंग 1, 2, 3. इफ आई से मेक 2 digit number, repetition not allowed. So what you can do is, repetition not allowed means you can take 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1. We can make 2, 3, 3, 2. So we can make 6 digits. So there is formula, permutation, there is formula. I am explaining. Without formula we can do this exercise, but what is the formula of permutations? Permutations means rearrangement. जैसे 3 डिजिट नंबर है गिवन है और आपको 2 डिजिट नंबर बनाना है, तो दिस इज फॉर्मूला NPR, फैक्टोरियल n अपॉन फैक्टोरियल n minus r. When repetition not allowed, you can use this formula. 3 digits are given and you have to make 2 digit number. So what you can do is, according to this formula, factorial 3 upon factorial 3 minus 2. So factorial 3 upon factorial 1. So factorial 1 is 1. 3, 2, 1. And factorial 1 is 1. So 6. So as I told you, when 1, 2, 3 digits are given, you have to make 2 digit number. So you can take 12, 21, 13, 31, 32, 23. ये कैलकुलेट करना पड़ा. बट इफ यू आर यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला, दिस इज वेरी इजी. मतलब n ऑब्जेक्ट में से r ऑब्जेक्ट ले रहे हैं, एंड शॉर्टकट इज व्हाट, 3p2 है. तो दिस इज शॉर्टकट आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग. टेक अपर वैल्यू के 2 रिवर्स फैक्टर लीजिए, 3 into 2, 6. डायरेक्ट मेथड, मतलब शॉर्ट कैलकुलेशन. सिमिलरली इफ आई एम राइटिंग 5p2, which means 5 into 4, 20. If you are using formula here, what is the formula? Factorial n upon factorial n minus r. So this is factorial 5 upon factorial 5 minus 2. So this is factorial 5 upon factorial 3, and you can write 5 into 4 into factorial 3 upon factorial 3, 3, 3 cancel, so 20. So this exercise, if you use this formula, we can make it. If you are not using formula, you can make it. But you should know both the things. But this formula is used when repetition is not allowed. Okay.